Hi everybody, this is Andrew. Today we will continue play our Hitori. Today's level is hard level. We will continue play the hard level game 3. The hard level game 3. So from now on, I will not scanning every line and every cross down, every column. So I just show you some pattern and you can follow up. This is the logic. For example, here you look at it, this block, it is specified is it's a pair, the 6, and a pair, and another number between us, between the pair, the continuous pair and the separate pair. So now this two cells number cannot shave. Why? For example, this is the pair between another one we already talking about. If the shake this one, the two ones cannot shave. It's breaking the rule, right? So the number 3 cannot shave. So how about the 8? If you black the 8, because here you should make the 1 in this position, right? And another one is because let the 6 behind attach the 8. So this one must be shaped. So it's wrong. It's break the rules, right? So in this way, you can mark on this one. So in this pattern, this pair and then another pair is separated, so you can make that one circles. This the special pattern. Another pattern I show you in this area. You look at it, this area. What's going on in this area? You look at it, 7 3 and 7 3. It's the same pair. The 7 3 is pair, the 7 3 is pair. If in that way, these two cells must be circled. I show you why. If you look at it, mark here, and the 7, you should be mark this one, right? The 3, you should be mark this one. It's wrong. So 7 cannot shape. Same thing as the 8. So you should be circle the two things. Okay, we just follow the way. Yes, yeah. You get the 3 8. You look at the 3 8 by the two rows. The 3 8, 3 8, and 3 8 for go down. No, and the 7 8 go this way. The 7 8, no 7 8 here. We have the 7 this way, 7 8 on this way. Yeah, let's finish. So we can start from this way. Okay, go ahead, go 3 in this way, yes. And the number 2 for the just like the same way than before. We just scan around the number. For example, the 5 we go to the 5, the 5, 2 5 and 2 5, right? 2 5 and 3 and not 3. It's 6 8 and 6 8. The 6 8 another no. And the 1 9 is 1 9. It's 9 1 9. It's 1 8 3. It's 1 6, no, the 5 6 5 6 9. The 6 we already have, the 6, and what's going on? There's a knot here. You go there. Is it number 2 here? And 6 on this way. Because we already mark on it, so we don't need to scan for 3 and 8. That's the mark for yourself. So normally we have to scan for 6, for 2, for 3, right? The 3 you don't need to scan anymore because you already marked on it. So we continue about it. So go ahead. The 2 5 3 here. 3 8 1 3 8 1. No. The 4 9 6 2 4. That's it. So go this way. 4 8 6 1 9 3 5. Yeah, we have the 5 here. If the 5, we have the 8. That's the 1 3 on 3. The 9 8. Yeah, we have the 8. And the 9, you should be go this way in 9. And another way is if you already scan the 9, you mark it. The next time you don't need to scan the 9, right? Something like this, you can mark this way. For example, the 3, you look at the 3 and 3, you mark it. The 7, you look at it, the 7, you mark it. But be careful, it's a long distance. Maybe you're missing something. So here, 7, okay, just go to a 7 and 9, around the 9, 5, 5, number 2, no, number 2 here. Okay, the 7 is finished. The 7 is finished. So the other way is go through the 1 and 2 4 2 2 5 6 3 4 7 and 6 4. Yeah, here we have the 2, number 2 here. You look at it, and there's 2 here. You go to 7. For the 7, we have 3 7s, number 2. Yeah, we finish here. The 4 here. You look at it. The 4 here. The 5. We have the 5. Number 1 and number 2, 2. You look at it, it's a 5, something like this way, and go through the 5, 3, and this one 3. Yeah, here, that's 1 3. From there, the 3, and another 3 is 6. Go this way, the 6. Go there, and go here. Oh, this 4 here, and 1 here. You look at the 1 here, and the 5 should be marked on 5, right? That cannot be isolate this area. So you can mark the 5 here. go there. What else? What else? Go to 3 here. Okay, in this way, a next step you can do that is just clear all yellow mark, and then scan which cell is possible to shift. Maybe the 6 can be shaped. So you look at it, the 6, no way here. Just look at it. Number 1, number 1. Yeah, number 1 here, and the number 1 here. 4. It makes sense? Yes, it makes sense. How about this one? This one, if that one to separate is continue here. So this one can work on it. So number 2 can do that, right? Number 7, no. 9, 4, 1. The 1 can mark. So because if the mark, this one continue to this one. It's one continuous area. We go through here's, let's finish, all done, finish. So now our focus only for this cells. What's going on? In this way, probably we focus on this area because let's duplicate the number. You can find easier to find the way. For example, the pair 6, you can start pair 6, you can start pair 1, whatever you want. For example, this 6, if you mark the 6, should be mark 1, right? Not any problem. So just leave it. And try another one. If we mark this one, so you have to mark this one, right? Because the one, it's wrong. It's wrong. So you should be marked here and circle the 6 in here. Mark 6 on here. So you're this way to do that. In this way, you go straight. This one we should be move. This yellow is the one here. You should be mark 1 here. We finish this one. This is the game 3. The game 4. I don't want to play the whole game 4. You can try it on it. I just give you some some pattern on it. For example, you can do that. It's a pair and single. Just do it. Pair, single, and just do it. Another one is you look at it. It's a pair, 2 pair, and another number between the pairs. So you can circle on it. If that circle the 8, you should be shaped 8, the other 8s. The 7 is same thing. The 7 you can circle the 5, but no 5 on this way. Just leave it, right? Similar way is 1 and 1. You can put on the circle 2 between the pair 1. Because that one is circle, so you shaped 2 here. And about the 1 between the ones, the 9, you can circle on it, but have no any other 9 on it. So just now, the initial scanning is finished. So from now on, you can start for this area, just like scan line by line and column by column. Something like the 7 was heaven. The 7 you can mark that has 7 here. 8 you can mark 8 here, something like that. And 2 mark 2. The 4, no 4 anymore. The 2 include this 2. You can mark on it. After some the initial mark, just like that around shaped cell, you can scan the around the open cell. And if you cannot find the number on it, the second step, you focus on the corner. In the corner, you can look at it, some duplicate numbers. You can start from there. Just try the pairs on the row or on the column. Something like if you shaped this one, because that one we should be shaped this one, right? So that one to isolate this area and this area. So this one cannot shaped. So you must be circle on it. If the circle on it, this one must be shaved. You can shave directly on this one. Something like this way. You can try the high level game form. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.